Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna take the cool cream cheese and mix that with that bakery style Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Hey. Well, grab your whisk attachment and reboot your genie. We'll start with 7 egg whites and 2 cups of sugar. You want to bring this up to 160 degrees. And make sure your water doesn't touch the bottom of the pan, and whisk it constantly. And you want to set out your cream cheese and your butter on the counter and get that coming to room temperature. And here's a cheat. So just leave it in the warm water for 10 minutes and it'll be ready. And this way is actually safer than leaving it on the counter for a few hours. And you can add a pinch of kosher salt too, if you don't want it as sweet. I like just a pinch because that balances the flavor. And whisk constantly until it reaches 160 degrees. We're gonna pasteurize those eggs. All right, it's ready. And then to cool it down to our butter's temperature, I put it in a bucket of ice. And it only takes like 15 minutes. And if the meringue is too hot, it'll melt the butter and you'll just get egg white soup. Blech. And whisk that to stiff peaks. That's stiff peaks. And 65 degrees is my magic number. And it all comes together. Now you just add in the butter, 1 chunk at a time, about 2 tablespoons. Whisk it in, put in another tablespoon or 2. Big chunk. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If you're gonna pipe any buttercream flowers, take out your Swiss meringue right now because the Swiss meringue with the cream cheese doesn't pipe flowers very well. And I'm putting this on my mango coconut cake with flowers on top. So I'm gonna save some aside and put it in the refrigerator. And then take 2 bricks or 16 ounces of cream cheese and beat them until they're nice and smooth. Now you just add in your Swiss meringue buttercream, a glop at a time. That's about a cupful, I'd say. It doesn't take long. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now you can put a special flair on one of your bakes. I'm putting this on my mango coconut cake. Watch that video next. And don't forget to subscribe and boop that bell. That way you'll be notified of my weekly lunacy and zaniness.